Hey beautiful babes, welcome into Sugar Fingers. Yeah. Alright beautiful babes, today I'm going to be attempting to do a color block nail design. I'll be using my Madam Glam new Chapter 1 Elite Collection in doing this. I just recently received these from Madam Glam and I wanted to try them out on my own nails. So let's get to it. So now I'm just buffing off the little shiny part of the nail on top so I can polish them. So today, beautiful babes, as you may already know, these nail polishes here, I did swatches on them on my channel. They were a gift from Madam Glam, and these four right here are from their new Chapter 1 Elite Collection. Yes, this is the new polishes, came out this year, January. So I'm happy to have them. I am going to do my nails with some design using these four colors. I also have the base coat and the top coat, and I have my handy dandy little Madam Glam like bedazzle light. Yes, I do. I have the UV LED lamp right here. So I am going to go ahead and try to create something gorgeous. So just hang out with me while I do my right hand. Now for the left hand, which I'm not going to show because it's a hot mess, we're going to do something special to it in just a few days, so stay tuned right here. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do that right now. Make sure you hit the post notification bell so you'll be in the know each and every time I upload. Now let's do something gorgeous with these fingernails. And if you want to know what I have on my nails, just click up in the iCards or down below. You will find my most recent post, which will show you what I did with these nails this time. Yes, yes, and yes. Let's get to it. We're going to start, of course, with our base coat on all of the nails. Let's cure it. So I have my little stripping tape here. I'm going to try to create some awesome little angles and color blocks on the nails. And I have my little scissors here. So let's get started. I think the first color I'm going to start with is the beautiful antique silver here. So we're going to start with the thumb and apply one coat. We'll let that dry, and then we may apply a second coat and then possibly top it with a third coat of something else. So let's go for it.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Yeah, I'm a mess, I'm not my best, but I won't stop until you're here, till you're here. You're miles away, it's safe to say. It's almost like you've disappeared and disappeared. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? I just wanna let you know that I'll do anything to get you here. Oh, I could never let you go. I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? You made us work, I made us worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change. I'm on my knees and I'm begging you, please. Is there any chance you're thinking about me? If I change my ways, babe, won't you come back to me? Make no mistakes, babe, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't you come back to me? Come back, come back, come back, won't
And beautiful babes, here it is, the finished look using Madame Glam's new Chapter 1 Elite Collection. I love the way they turned out. I hope you do too. If you do, make sure you let me know down in the comments. Yeah, drop me some hands, drop me some hearts. Hey, just let me know. Say they look gorgeous, sweet angel. That would make me so happy. And beautiful babes, y'all know how we do it right here. Yes, indeed. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.
You made this work, I made this worse. We fell apart 1,000 times, 1,000 times. You moved away, I'm here to stay. I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I'll spend the last